Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to RMK Resolutions. In this new segment, we are going to start the lectures for the very important subject, that is the cell biology. And this subjects, the topic included in these subjects are for the FY zoology students, those students who are admitted in the college which is affiliated for the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. So, this is the introductory lecture on the cell biology. So, my dear friends, we know that cell it is an basic structural and functional unit of the life. Those organisms which we see, the living organism we can say, that is the bacteria, then different fungi or different mammals, insects, every living organism, basically they are made up of the cell. So we can say that cell it is structural and functional unit of the life. So we can predict the definition of the cell biology. It is the branch of the science that deals with the study of cell. It is simply known as the cell biology. So you can see on your screen this particular word cell, it is derived from the Latin word, means it is a small room. So actually cell it is, we can say that this is the one small room, and in that particular room many different activities are going on that will focus on in a few next few slides. So as I told you, this particular cell it is functional and structural unit of the living organism. So this is a very important concept. Try to understand. Cell it is structural and functional unit of the life or living organisms. So we are very curious. We have means this is a mystery we can say. Inside the cell, what is actually we can't visualize the cell by the naked eyes. It is very difficult to see the cells. We need a different microscope, that is the compound microscope, light microscope, different highly developed electron microscopes are needed for the visualization of the cell. So my dear friends, you can see here cell was first time discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665. This is an very important. In 1665, cell was first time discovered by the scientist Robert Hooke. So Robert Hooke, he having a very great contribution in the cell biology. You can see here this is the three-dimensional view of the cell. So cell, this is the one room we can say, and within a room there are different small rooms are there. We will see in the next few slides what are these small rooms or different compartments are present within the cell. So modern cell theory, many scientists they propose the cell theory. As I told you already, cell it is structural and functional unit of the life. So many scientists they put forward the different cell theories, and the postulates of the cell theories are described here. So very first point included in the cell theory, first one, cells they make all the living matters or living organisms. Then second postulate, all cells they arise from the other cells. Then third one, the chemical reactions of the cell, that is the anabolism, catabolism takes place inside the cell. So we can say that cell is the fundamental unit of the life. So when we talk about the cell, then there are two types of the cell: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. So prokaryotic cell, the important characteristics of the prokaryotic cell, they lack the nucleus and they also lack the membrane bound structures such as mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosomes, ribosomes. Actually, ribosomes is present, lysosomes and all that things are absent, that is the membrane bound structures are absent in the prokaryotic cells. And the second type, which is on your screen, is the eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cell, they having a nucleus, or we can say the perfect nucleus is present in the eukaryotic cell, and membrane bound organelles are present in the eukaryotic cells. So membrane bound organelles means mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, lysosome, peroxisome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. Such kind of membrane bound organelles are found in the eukaryotic cell. And the examples of the eukaryotic cell, all plants, all animals and fungi, they are made up of the eukaryotic cell. So plant cell, animal cell and fungal cells are the examples of the eukaryotic cells. So first we'll discuss about the prokaryotic cell.